Are you looking for a way to send crypto at zero fee from one exchange to another? Then watch this video to the end as we'll be showing you exactly how to send crypto assets from your gate.io exchange to Binance exchange at no fees, zero fees. Hello crypto smart investors. So from our interface here, this is our gate.io exchange, and if you notice we are having about $1,002. So going to the wallet section, you should notice that you can actually withdraw your crypto assets. So click on withdraw and it should take you to this particular interface. So you can actually search up the particular crypto asset that you want to withdraw, or you can check your search history. If it's there, you can pick it there by default. So searching it up, USDT is actually what you want to withdraw. Remember, always to trade responsibly. So selecting USDT, it brings up this particular warning, right? Scam alert, blah blah blah. So hit OK and continue. So you notice that it has this different chain names or networks, right? So you notice that you have Bitcoin Omni, Ether, ERC20 and all that. So network fee, click on network fee, that info button that is on network fee, and it should bring up this. So notice of all this network fee is only Tron TRC20 network that has zero commission paid or zero USDT paid as network fee. So others have a particular value paid. So we'll have $3 paid for BEP20, $5 paid for Solana, $40 paid for BTC Omni. All right. So, but we'll be using TRC20 network chain. All right. So once you've selected it, you change your chain name to Tron network or TRC20. So you also have your withdrawal to address. So it is this address they are going to copy from wherever you want to send your crypto asset to. So that is exactly where you send from Binance to. So heading back to our Binance, this is our Binance exchange. So you notice that this is what it looks like when you are in the wallet section of your Binance exchange. So while on the wallet section, make sure your tab is in overview tab. You also notice the current amount that you have is even less than $1. Is that alright? So you click on what? Deposit. So clicking on deposit, it should bring you up to this new interface. So you notice that you're actually depositing crypto, and you have a search bar where you can search for the crypto you want to deposit. You can also click on search history to select the particular coin you want to search for. If the particular coin you want to deposit is in trending, you can also select it. So click on USDT and it should open up this place that says choose network. Now look at a particular writing that is there. It says the what? Ensure the network you choose to deposit matches the withdrawal network, or assets may be lost. If you miss this single step, your assets is lost forever. So make sure you take it very, very serious. The chain we selected on our gate.io exchange is Tron TRC20, and it is the same chain that we'll have to select here. So make sure you go with the right chain at the right time. So selecting Tron TRC20, it brings up the default wallet address that you can always deposit crypto to. All right, you can decide to save the image there, the QR image there, or you can decide to share the address. So if you shared the image, you can send it to whoever wants to send crypto assets to you. So you can copy the address immediately to your clipboard. So you see wallet address copied. So once you're there, you get back to our gate.io interface. Then we paste our withdrawal address to where it is, or we can scan it accordingly. So once you have pasted it, you go ahead to look at the address name. The address name is actually optional. I always leave it blank. All right, so some people save a particular wallet address with a particular name. So, but in this case, it's not something we have to attend to. So, withdrawal quantity is for 160 USDT, or you can click all, but in this case, it's 160 USDT. You can see the available amount that you have, and you can see the value that you want to withdraw, that is the net. So you can click on withdraw to address. So a security check by gateio is actually to blank their screen so that you don't see nothing. So they always also send you a code to make sure that all the transaction is carried out successfully. So this is our Binance interface. I notice that the deposit of USDT is in progress, and when you click it, it should bring up this deposit details to you also, so you can actually see the number of confirmation that have been done. All right, they can see the address, they can see the transaction ID and the dates and a whole lot of other details. So you see 9 network confirmations. This deposit requires 1 network confirmation to reach your account, so be rest assured that it will definitely come to your account since it's already been processed. And here it is, voila. So it's very easy and straightforward to deposit crypto from your gateio account to your Binance account, and it's deposited straight to your spot account. Remember to always trade responsibly. If you found value in this video, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right away. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Also, as you can see, the total balance from our gateio have reduced because we've successfully withdrawn to our Binance account. Share and like this video to as many crypto enthusiasts that you can think of. Don't forget to trade responsibly. Peace out.